Hi, this is Avni Modi and you're watching Bollywood Hungama. To be very honest, I didn't expect that I'll go to South industry. When I started from theatre, I didn't have any clue. The reason I started my journey with theatre just because I didn't had any sources, I didn't had any contacts to enter into Bollywood, and there was only a weapon with me, that was my theatre experience. So I started with theatre when I came to Mumbai, and gradually contacts bante gaye. So that just happened by chance, and I was getting many modeling assignments, so I was doing that. And I was always looking for a nice Bollywood project, but those who came to me, that was not that excited, you know, that I was not that sure कि I should go for that or not. So yeah, then last year this Calendar Girls happened and my dream came true. Feedback is amazing because everybody expected कि 5 नई लड़कियों को लेके you can't show कि इतना मतलब they just expected that glamour होगा, nothing else. But yeah, though Madhur ji has worked only with superstars earlier, Kangana, Priyanka, Kareena and all, so to impress audience with such a big face, it's very easy. But now we all 5 actresses also done the same thing. If you see the teaser of Calendar Girls, the entire visuals are so nice that you can't, people don't feel that it's a newcomer's film. So we are just glad because the response is really overwhelming. They loved it. Yeah. Oh God, my father has just gone mad, he's loving it. I would like to share that that day when I got selected, when Madhur ji told me that okay, you're doing this film. So that was a very special moment for me, but it was so casual. There were 2 rounds of audition and I gave 2 auditions, and after that I guess a week or 10 days passed by and nobody called me, nothing happened. And I was in touch with those people who audition ले रहे थे. So I was asking them कि क्या हो रहा है, give me any feedback or something. So they said, okay Ami, we are still shortlisting the girls, so we'll let you know. हम बताएंगे. तो एक होता है ना, there were curiosity थी आगे जानने की and anxiety थी मेरे अंदर. And finally I got a call from Madhur Bhandarkar's office that come to office, Bhandarkar sir wants to meet you. So I went. I met him, and I still remember that particular moment. We were sitting in the sofa and we were discussing, because he doesn't discuss work very seriously. because हम लोग बहुत casually बात कर रहे थे. And he said, okay, तो अभी क्या कर रही है इन दिनों? I said, nothing sir, I have my Tamil film, that's it. ठीक है, कर लेते हैं. So I said, so I was thinking that he is talking about my South film. So I said, okay. Then I said, but क्या कर लूँ? No, कर रही है, Calendar Girls तो कर रही है. And I was shocked. For 1 minute, I couldn't believe what he said. For him to give me this news was so casual, because for him it's like, okay, मैंने एक लड़की को select कर लिया for the role. But for me, it was like my life-changing thing. For that moment, I just got freeze, and then I told him कि sir, please एक बार confirm बोलो कि मैं ये film कर रही हूँ. मैंने सर okay, अपनी confirm तो ये film कर रही है. Then he called his assistant and all कि चलो भाई इसका भी documents ले लो, इसके agreement वगैरह बनाओ. And still I was told not to tell anyone, because जब तक media में ये बात ये लोग officially announce नहीं कर सकते, तब तक I was not allowed to say anything. And they said कि जब तक तुम agreement sign ना करो, don't even inform your family. So it was even more, very tempting, because I wanted to scream, I wanted to shout that I got the big banner film as a lead, but I was not allowed, not even to inform my family. So the day when I signed the agreement, I immediately called my dad, and I was so excited. So I still remember that whole day. Gulabi was a story of a girl, Gul. Her name is Gul. She is a sex worker, and she was born and brought up in a brothel. And then what happens in her life? So it was about, you can say, a woman empowerment. It was about her morals, her ethics. The entire story of Gulabi was like, whatever you do in your life, it should be with all your terms and conditions. You can, if you are selling your body, it doesn't mean that you are selling your soul. So that was the Gulabi was all about. In Calendar Girls, I'm playing a girl called Nazni, and She is a Muslim girl coming from Orthodox Muslim family. It's a battle between her religion and the glamour industry, and she has her own ethics and her moral values in the film, but the brutal reality of the industry or the practical world doesn't allow her to do so. So there are a lot many ups and downs in the film. She has to fight with the religion, she has to fight with the family. There are ups and downs in her track, because Nazneen is very bold and very strong-headed girl. She strongly believes in herself and she gets what she is dreaming of. But the reality is something different. And as I say everyone, that this film is not about the struggle. The film is about the destiny. Shooting experience was very memorable. We all girls became friends since our workshop days. So we were doing workshops, so we became friends, and we are still friends. Every day we chat a lot because we have a calendar girls ka group in our WhatsApp. So every day we are pulling each other's legs and everything. When we all five are together, we pull each other's legs and we do all bitchiness of other actresses and everything. It's a privilege for me that they chose me to be the face of the endorsement. I never thought that they'll select me, but yeah, when I was doing theatre, I was already an established name over there. And with the success of my South industry, my South films and the other modeling assignment. So I got a call and they just told me that if you allow us, then we can use your picture. So it was such an overwhelming thing for me that they are asking my permission to use the picture, and they use my pictures. And if you go to Gujarat, so everywhere you can see the hoardings along with the Honorable CM Anandiben Patel. Insider knows.
Yeah.
Those who are working in the industry, they know the ups and downs of the insiders. But for the audience, they don't know. They only see the film, they only see the stars when they are rising. I have just started. So I started from the scratch. So I was climbing all the stairs. So I have seen the down phase in my life. I have seen those days where I didn't have much money. I didn't have much work and I was struggling for work. I was asking everyone, I was after everyone to get me a work. So yeah, I had seen those days, I have faced those days. What happened with it, we were shooting on an island and it was a dance sequence. Our choreographer Ganesh Hegde sir, he and his team, they were in the boat and they were shooting. And then after the shoot got over, they just went. And we all girls were clueless. मतलब हुआ क्या यार, ये shoot करके निकल गए लोग. For almost 15 minutes we were in the water and we were just looking at each other like what to do now. We didn't have any phone or nothing, so how to contact. Then after 15-20 minutes वो एक assistant आया boat लेके and फिर हमको लेके. तो we were asking यार भाई हुआ क्या, तुम लोग ऐसे भाग गए हमको छोड़ के. The content belongs to a glamour industry. So हाँ, obviously resemblance रहेंगे. It's a realistic film, so yeah, there are incidents from the real people and real incidents. So backdrop same है. Unlike fashion was about the struggle of a model. Heroine was about the downfall of an established actress. In this film, the main important aspect is destiny. It is not about the struggle. It is not about the brutal industry. It is about the destiny. I have, but I am not allowed to say anything to the media now because I am just waiting for the correct time when the production house gives a proper announcement. So just wait. We'll meet soon. Tell everyone, please go and watch our film Calendar Girls because it's a Bhandarkar Entertainment's brand associated with that, and a very good music is there in the film, a very nice message, social message in the film, and nice performances and very glamorous girls.